Welcome. If you want to add the event to calendar in your iPhone 12 mini, at the first you have to open your calendar, then you have to pick up here, and at the first let's add the title. We can also add here other things like location. We can also invite someone, we can show the alerts, and the most important, of course, we have to set up the day when we want to start our event, and we can of course change the time. Okay, and click add in the right upper corner to confirm. And when we go back, you can check where is your event, and it's right here. And that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.